y'all, and welcome to our Green Acres. I'm Teresa. Thanks so much for coming on today. I want to welcome everybody. Before I get started with the video, I just want to introduce y'all to a company that I have just joined up with that I truly love. So I want to kind of tell y'all a little bit about it, let y'all go out and look at it and see what y'all think. I think y'all will really like their products because I know I do. As a crafter, and I love to embellish, these products are perfect. And the name of the company is called Totally Dazzled. And when they reached out to me and asked me, if I'd like to review their products and, and just kind of see what I thought, I went out to their website and immediately I was like, yes, sign me up. So I have got my first shipment of products that I selected, and I just want to share some of those with y'all. And I'm going to have all the information down in the description, and also there'll be an affiliate link. And if you'll click on that, that will take you to their website. And they offer different types of products. They have napkin rings. They have things that for event. Sorry, y'all, that's my little kitty cat. For events like weddings, graduations, parties, just everything you can think of. If you want to bling it up, they're going to have it. And they come in, a variety of colors. They have silver, gold, rose gold. They have rhinestones. They have pearls. So, but like I say, I just got my shipment a couple weeks ago. Y'all, I am loving it. And you're going to see some of the products. I'm going to introduce some of them in today's video, because I love to embellish. So of course I've added some of these products to embellish the project that we worked on today. So first of all, my necklace. This is not a necklace, but anyway, this little or big cross is a brooch. And I just wanted to show you the versatility of, if you don't want to wear it as a brooch, I just went through my jewelry box and I got a chain out, and I just linked it through the holes in the top of this, and I just turned it into a necklace. I'm sure you could class this onto a handbag, a scarf, and they actually have slides that you could put on scarves, and or where you do your t-shirts up on the side. They also have those. But y'all, this cross right here is 3 inches and 3/4. So I just wanted to a lot of times when you order things online, you'll see a picture of it online, and when you get it, it's never the same size as what it looks like. This right here is a very good size. Just to give you an idea, I've got the ruler, but this is a very good size piece. And I love this. So, but I've got the napkin rings, and everything comes very nice packaged. And it also comes in this nice little bag. And I've got several of the brooches, and then this one is absolutely beautiful. And the thing I like about the brooches is they have the easy clasp. They're very easy to clasp them, and I really like that. So, so anyway, y'all, like I say, I'm going to leave the link in the description. Y'all go out and check them out. I think you will really like them. They're very affordable. This brooch right here that I'm wearing, this costs $3.75. A lot of their products on the site are going to range from the $2 up to the $4 range. So it's very affordable, and that's what blows me away. It's such nice quality. It's very elegant, but it's also very affordable. And so far, I think their customer service staff is just top notch. So, so make sure after the video, go down in the description, go out and check out Totally Dazzled, because I think y'all are going to love them, and you're going to be seeing them in upcoming videos, because I'm going to be using a lot of their products now to embellish and do my crafts with, and I'm going to be wearing them. So, and I wanted to show y'all this one too, because I think this one is they're all my favorite. That's the hard part about their website, is trying to decide what you want, because you're going to love everything they have. There's nothing out there that I didn't like, but I love this one. Look how beautiful that is. And that is actually a pen too. But isn't that not gorgeous? Just, the shabby chic, vintage style, that just so goes down our alley. And then this one right here, this one's a nice one. See how big it is? Anyway, that would probably be, I think the most of the brooches are in the $3 range. But anyway, y'all go check it out. The napkin rings, beautiful. So Anyway, today's video, if y'all watched many of my videos, y'all know I love vintage, shabby chic. I love the farmhouse. I love all styles. But here lately, I've been doing some recipe boxes because I told y'all that Ben, his grandmother, we inherited their old recipe boxes and their handwritten recipes, and I love them. So I've started my daughter a recipe box, and I try to go in and I try to handwrite most of the recipes that I'm going to hand down one day to her. But I wanted to show y'all how we can make a recipe box very easy. We're not going to use any kind of power tools. Everything is going to be wood glue, and this is scrap wood, and I'm going to have the measurements down in the description. So if you want to go to Home Depot, and we cut this out of a 1x4. So I think, I don't know how much 1x4s are. I think, you know, I know a 6-foot one is in the $3 range, and you would not need that much wood because we've only really got we've got 6 pieces of small wood in this. And then I put some little legs on it, and you get these in the craft section at Walmart. And then I'm just going to show you different ways that we can embellish it. And then I showed you in the video where I upcycled this little recipe box right here. I got it at a yard sale, and I showed y'all how to make a little shabby chic index cards. So that's a video, I think I made it a couple weeks ago. So anyway, y'all, I hope y'all enjoy the video. I hope y'all get some inspiration from it. And as always, I so appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thanks again. Okay, y'all, let's make a recipe box. This is my inspiration. So I want to show y'all these pictures that I was inspired from, just to show you the different variations. You can use twine to wrap it. Here I'm showing the ribbon that I use from Dollar Tree. You'll need your hot glue gun. Here's some embellishments that I use, and I'm going to stage it for you and show you everything you can use. Scrapbook paper to make the index cards, and these are those doll heads in the craft section at Walmart for the feet. Wood glue. And these are the 1x4s. And I'm going to give you the measurements in the description box of of how we made the base and the sides. So basically, you cut 2 for the base, and I think they were, 8.5 is what he's got on there. Yeah, 8.5 for 2 of them on the base. 7-inch will be the front and the back, and then 4-inch for the 2 sides. Here, I'm just gluing the base. And if you can, clamp it together because it'll give you a lot better of a bond. You don't have to, but it's better if you can. Here, Ben, it was a rainy day, so he wanted to help. And always 4 hands is better at crafting than 2. So he takes one of the blocks, which was a great idea, and he measures around the edges the 3/4 width of where we will want to put the box on top of the base. So this was a great idea. So he's just trimming out that 3/4 of an inch all the way around. This is how we will glue the box together on top of the base. And here he's just using wood glue, and he's going to put the front on first, or the back, and then he will do a side. And yeah, here he is gluing the side, and he just puts glue on the sides that will be touching. Okay, after your box is dried, I went over it with some sandpaper just to kind of smooth it out. And what I like to do is I like to sand it, and then I like to go on and chalk paint it. And then after you paint it, if you still have some rough spots or some cracks that still show through, then you can go and use some like wood putty or some spackle. And I just use Dollar Tree. It works very well. But a lot of times the chalk paint is so thick it will fill in a lot of the, rough spots and the cracks. And then I took some rough sandpaper and I just sanded it over really good and gave it that distressed look. Here I'm going to show you the best way that I have found to paint wooden beads. You just put a little bit of paint in like a little bowl, and then you will just place your beads down into the paint, and you'll just kind of stir them around and get them covered real good with the paint. And then you just want to take them out, lay them on some paper, and let them dry. Okay, now I'm going to show you the different ways you can embellish the box. Here I've just got some wired ribbon that I bought at Dollar Tree, and you can also wrap twine around it. I think that would be pretty. And also, when you, as you saw in the inspirational pictures, you can also stain this box. If you prefer not to paint it, you'd rather stain it, I think stain would work really well too. Now I'm just going to show you the different embellishments, and a lot of these came from Dollar Tree, or I've got a video on how to make them. And also show you in the previous video of how to make those scrapbook paper index cards. So if you aren't already following me on Instagram, I'd love for you to go over and follow me there at Our Greene Acres, and also go over and join my Facebook home decor page at Our Greene Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. I want to give a shout out to the top 5 posters for this week, and that's going to be Shauna, Diane, Linda, Betty, and Tanya. And Tanya posted a faux fireplace that she made, a faux mantle. So y'all please go over and join the Facebook group. I think y'all will really enjoy it.